Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate to you how to replace the key fob battery in this Lexus remote key fob. First thing what we need to do is we need to remove this blade here out the corner of the fob so we can gain access to the battery. We do so by sliding over this pin here, which releases the catch so we can slide the key out. I'll just demonstrate. There you go. And now we get our flat-headed screwdriver, and in this indentation here, the bottom corner of the key fob, we put the blade with the screwdriver in and we give it a twist, which releases the two halves of the key fob case. And there you go. There is your key fob battery. We now just get a smaller screwdriver and we just prise it from its housing, like so. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR1632, like this one. We just simply get our key fob battery and we just pop it back into the housing, making sure that the writing on the battery is facing upwards like this, and we know it's in its correct location. And now it's time to pop it back together. So we get the top half of the key fob case and we just line it all up and we just click it in place. Now we get the blade and we just slide it back into the housing. And there you go, it's all done.